Number 1. How many ounces of pure nickel must be added to 150 ounces of alloy 70% pure to make an alloy which is 85% pure? So 70% times 150 plus x is equals to 85% times 150 plus x. Then 105 plus x is equals to 127.5 plus 0.85x. Then x minus 0.85 x is equals to 127.5 minus 105. Gin-reverse. Then 0.15x is equals to 22.5. Then bring down 0.15 over 0.15 is equals to 22.5 over 0.15. Then the value of x is equals to 150. To check, 70% times 150 plus 150 is equals to 85% times 150 plus 150. 105 plus 150 is equals to 127.5 plus 127.5. 105 plus 150 is equals to 255. Then 127.5 plus 127.5 is equals to 255. Number 2. How many pounds of cream containing 12% butterfat must be added to 1,800 pounds of milk containing 2% butterfat to obtain a milk having 3% butterfat? Let x is equals to pound of cream to be added. 12% times x plus 1,800 times 2% is equals to 3% times x plus 1,800. Then 0.12 plus 36 is equals to 0.03x plus 54. 0.12x minus 0.03x is equals to 54 minus 36. Then 0.09x is equals to 18. 0.09x is equals to 18 again. 0.09x is equals to 18. Then calculate 0.09, 0.09 is equals to 0.09. 0.09 x, then x is equals to 200. To check, substitute the value of x. 12% times 200 plus 1,800 times 2 is equals to 3% times 200 plus 1,800. 24 plus 36 is equals to 6 plus 54. Then multiply, add 24 plus 36 is equals to 60. Then 6 plus 54 is equals to 60. How much water must be added to 200 gallons of mixture which is 80% alcohol to reduce it to a 75% mixture? X is equals to gallons of water to be added. 200 gallons mixture is equals to 80% alcohol. then 20% water. %, times 200 plus x is equals to 25% times 200 plus x. We get 25% from the 80% alcohol. 25%. So 20% times 200 is equals to 40. 25%, which is our water, times 200. 50 plus 0.25x, then expose. So x minus 0.25x is equals to 50 minus 40. X minus 0.25x is equals to 0.75x. Then 50 minus 40 is equals to 10. Then divide both side by 0.5. 0.5x over 0.75 is equals to 10 over 0.75. Then the x is equals to 13.33. To check 200 plus 13.33 is equals to 213.33. 160 over 213.33 is equals to 0.75 or 75%. Number 4. 10 years ago, a man was 3 times as old as his son. In 6 more years, he will be twice as old as his son. How old are they? So the M is age of the man, the S age of the son. M minus 10 is equals to 3 times S minus 10. That is the equation 1. M plus 6 is equals to 2 times S plus 6. That is the equation 2. M minus 10 is equals to 3 times S minus 10. So M is equals to 3S minus 30 plus 10. 10 times 3 is equals to 30. Then 3S. Then 10. M is equals to 3S minus 20. Then 3S minus 20 plus 6 is equals to 2 times S plus 6. Then 3S minus 14, because 20 minus 6 is equals to 14. Then write 2S, because 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Then 3S minus 2S is equals to 12 plus 14. Then 12 plus 14 is equals to 26. So the age of the son is equals to 26 years old. Age of the man. M minus 10 is equals to 3. 3 times 26 minus 10. So M is equals to 3 times 16 plus 10. So M is equals to 48, because 3 times 16 is equals to 48 plus 10. So 48 plus 10 is equals to 58. So the age of the man is equals to 58 years old. To check, 58 minus 10 is equals to 3 times 26 minus 10. Then 48 is equals to 3 times 16. 10 years ago, a man is 48 years old, which is 3 times the age of his son. 58 plus 6 is equals to 2 times 26 plus 6. 64 is equals to 2 times 32. In 6 more years, a man will be 64 years old, which is 2 times age of his son. Number 5. In 2 years, a boy will be in 3/4 as old as his sister. 2 years ago, he was 2/4 as old as she. How old are they? So B is age of a boy, then S age of his sister. Equation 1. B plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times S plus 2. Equation 2. B minus 2 is equals to 2/3 times S minus 2. The quantity of B plus 2 is equals to the quantity of 3/4. Quantity S plus 2 and 4. 4B plus 8 is equals to 3 times S plus 2. Then 4B is equals to 3S plus 6 minus 8. 4B is equals to 3S minus 2. 4B over 4 is equals to 3S minus 2 over 4. Then cancel 4. Then bring down B is equals to 3S minus 2 over 4. Quantity 3 times quantity 3S minus 2 over 4. Quantity negative 6 is equals to quantity 2S quantity minus 4 and 4. 3 times 3S minus 2 is equals to 9S minus 24 is equals to 8S minus 16. 9S is 3 times 3 is equals to 9. And bring down S minus 2. Then 3 times 2 is equals to S. Bring down 24 equals to 8S minus 16. 9S minus 30 equals negative 6 negative 24 because like sign plus. 6 plus 24 is equals to 30 equals 8S minus 16. 9S minus 8S is equals to negative 16 plus 30. So the age of his sister is 14 years old. We're going to solve the age of the boy. B plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times 14 plus 2. B plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times 16. B plus 2 is equals to 12. Then B is equals to 12 minus 2. So the age of the boy is 10 years old. To check, 10 plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times 14 plus 2. Then 12 is equals to 3/4 times 16. In 2 years, a boy will be 12 years old, which is 3/4 the age of his sister. Number 6. The sum of Kim's and Kevin's age is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their age now? So the X is age of Kim, then the Y age of Kevin. The first equation is 8 plus Y is equals to 18 years old. X is equals to 18 minus Y. 18 minus Y plus 3 is equals to 2 times Y plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is equals to 21. Then bring down Y. And then 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then copy the 2Y. 21 minus 6 is equals to 2Y plus Y. 21 minus 6 is equals to 15. Then 2Y plus Y is equals to 3Y. Then divide each side by 3. 15 over 3 is equals to 3y over 3. Then the age of Kevin is 5 years old. The equation 2. X plus 3 is equals to 2 times Y plus 3. X is equals to 18 minus 5 is equals to 13. So the age of Kim is 13 years old. To check, 13 years old plus 5 years old is equals to 18 years old. 13 plus 3 is equals to 2 times 5 plus 3. 16 is equals to 2 times 8. In 3 years, Kim will be 13 years old, which is twice the age of Kevin. Number 8. Paula is now 18 years old in his college. Monica is 14 years old. How many years ago was Paula twice as old as Monica? The P is age of Paula. The M is age of Monica. The X is years ago. The first equation is P plus X is equals to 2 times M. Then 18 minus X is equals to 2 times 14 minus X. 18 minus X, then 2 times 14 is equals to 28. 2 times X is equals to 2X. 2X minus X is equals to 28 minus 18. 2x minus x is equals to x. 28 minus 18 is equals to 10. Then 18, so the x is 10. 18 minus 10 is equals to 2 times 14 minus 10. 8 is equals to 2 times 4. 10 years ago, the age of Paula, which is 8, is twice as old as Monica. Number 9. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and 8 years old younger than his sister. The sum of their age is 38 years. How old is the girl? So the G is age of the girl. The B age of his brother. The S age of his sister. The first equation is G is equals to 1 over 3 B. The second equation is G is equals to S minus 8 equation 2. The third equation is G plus B plus S is equals to 38 years old. Use equation 1 to get the initial value of B. G is equals to 1 over 3 B. Then 3G is equals to B. Use the equation 2 to get the initial value of S. So G is equals to S minus 8. S is equals to G plus 8. Substitute to equation 3. G plus B plus S is equals to 38. G plus 3G plus G plus 8 is equals to 38. 5G is equals to 38 minus 8. Then 5G is equals to 30 because 38 minus 8 is equals to 30. Then divide each side 5. Yes, 5. 5G over 5 is equals to 30 over 5. So the age of the girl is 6. Then to solve for B and S, substitute the value of G. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. The age of boy is 18. So S is equals to 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. The age of his sister is 14. S, so add the G, the age of the girl and age of his brother, age of his sister. 6 plus 18 plus 14 is equals to 38. 38 is equals to 38. Number 10. At what time between 8 and 9 o'clock will the minute hand coincide with the four hands? Sorry for the technical problem because there is the answer. At 8 o'clock, the hour hands has covered 8 times 30 degree is equals to 240 degree. The catch up with the hour hand, the minutes hand has to cover a relative distance of 240 degree at a relative speed of 5.5 degree per minute. The time required is equals to 240 degrees or 5.5 degrees is equals to 46.6 minutes or 44 minutes. Number 11. At what time after 12 noon will the hour hand and minute hand of the clock first form an angle of 120 degree? 120 degree or 15.5 degree is equals to 21.8 or 22 minutes. So the 12:22 o'clock 12:22 o'clock noon will the hour hands and minute hand of the clock first form an angle of 120 degree. Number 12. At what time after 3 o'clock will the hands of the clock be together for the second time? 120 degree or 5.5 is equals to 21.8 or 22 minutes. After 3 o'clock, the hands be together for the second time will be at. The answer is 4:23 o'clock.